boy, 13 miles, another 10 to go. Come on, we can do it. 2 to 3 weeks time is quite a long time. The risk is gonna be either I'm gonna make it or break it. Hello and welcome back. Today is a really exciting day. I have something amazing to share with you guys, but the problem is I might not even make it there. I'm driving a Nissan Leaf. It's my new dealer runner because the BMW is not starting and I have issues with it. And it shows 13 miles, that's all I have left on the range, 13 miles. I have another 10 miles to go, so I don't even know if I'm gonna make it. But I have to because there's two amazing things that's happening right now. Oh no, battery is low. I know that, look, 10 miles flashing, we're not too far. Only when you drive really efficient, you grow a tree, like a digital tree. So here, look, so there's a 3. So that means I've been really careful how I've been driving, and yes, I've been annoying people because I've been driving like 30 miles an hour, but I cannot risk it. I can't risk it, bro. Cannot. I have actually made it. I just literally cheated, whatever you want to call it, Matrix, whatever. So yeah, I'm actually home. So I did say I have something really exciting to share with you. There's two things happening right now. Not right now. Well, one thing is happening right now, and the other thing will happen tomorrow, but I will share with you what is happening today and tomorrow. So I'm sitting in my Jaguar. This was my first project that we have took on, and it's nearly finished. So as you can see, the car is actually ready for some body work and spray job. So I had a guy out on Saturday and he's gonna get this car sprayed. The guy that is doing the spray job, he wants me to take all the panels off, so front bumper, side panel, side skirt, and all the trimmings, because I have a wee surprise what I'm gonna do with these trimmings, because they're all grey. All this is all grey, so I'm gonna take this off, and also the wheels have to be refurbished and resprayed. So I have a color in mind. I have a color in mind for all the trimmings, and this is all has to be resprayed because there's scratches all over the car. So the guy is actually going to do the whole thing, but it's going to be another 2 weeks time. Hopefully in 2 to 3 weeks time we're going to get this car back, and 2 to 3 weeks time is quite a long time, and I do need to keep going with the content because of the YouTube algorithm. So I have decided to make a massive sacrifice. I don't know if you remember, in part 3 video we spent good amount of time fixing the suspension damage and replacing the parts, and I did mention about building the garage, but there's something that I have done that is going to delay that process. So let me explain this. So this is where I would like to build a garage, but as obviously as you can see, the groundwork is not done and it's definitely not ready. So yeah, I know you can see the road leads down into where I want to build a garage, but that road, it doesn't belong to us. It was kind of left for us to use, but it does not belong to us. So what we need to do is build a new road. I did try to buy the plot of these guys, but they didn't sell it, but it's okay, it's not a big deal. So what I'm gonna do is basically build a road here, then all the way here, and then we're gonna come in this way, and we're gonna make a wee turn into here. So this is where the new road is gonna start tomorrow. So this is the first really exciting news. Tomorrow the digger is coming in and it's gonna start making the road for the garage. Yes! So what I'm gonna tell you guys, basically I went on an adventure and I sacrificed my garage for this channel. I do need obviously facilities to rebuild the cars, but at the same time I need another project. So I have bought a supercar. So before I reveal to you is what I have bought, I just want to share something with you. I always wanted a Lamborghini. I always dreamed of having a supercar, and Lamborghini was one of the cars that sounded, in my opinion, the best. So yeah, so I'll just show you what I have purchased. Here we go. Are you ready for this? This is crazy. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I just cannot believe we bought an Audi R8 V8 4.2 liter petrol. That's absolutely insane. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say to you guys. So if that doesn't worth your subscription, well, I don't know then, because this risk is gonna be either I'm gonna make it or break it. And I really want to build this channel. That's why I sacrificed the money for the garage to buy this amazing supercar. And some people might argue and say this is not a supercar, but guess what? For me, this is as close as I'm gonna get to Lamborghini at this moment of time anyway. And yes, she's not perfect, but it's okay, because you know what we do in this channel. Something's not perfect, we're gonna make it perfect. And obviously the interior is not the cleanest. There's a weed up there, and then there's a lot of mud. I don't know where that mud came from. And 79,000 miles, that scares me a bit. It also has a trunk, I don't know what you call it, but I can fit in it. Well, you can't close the lid, but I can fit in it. This model also came with the carbon fiber side blades. Pretty. So this beautiful base is prone to oil leaks and carbon buildup. It's direct injection, so there's no turbo or nothing, but it still produces 420 brakes. From the front, this looks like it has been damaged too when the car was getting loaded. Yeah. What are the damages? Well, the front looks pretty intact. There's no scratches, no big dents. What is the damages? Well, it's missing a rear tail light, spoiler, and a bumper, and then the exhaust tips. And I think the main exhaust, which is here, and it's all in the way, it's all in the back here, I think it's damaged as well. But does it start? Well, wait till you see this. This absolutely sounds crazy. It sounds like I just woken up a dinosaur or something. That's absolutely nuts. I love it. I still can't believe it. I'm actually sitting in an Audi R8 Quattro. It's literally 4-wheel drive supercar. It's absolutely nuts. I can't believe it. But here, look guys. This is what this channel is all about. Taking big risks and bringing the content that you are excited to watch. So if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. It's not costing you any money and it's helping out my channel. So let's make a deal. You subscribe, comment and like if you like the video. I'm not forcing you to like it if you don't like it. And I will promise you to bring amazing big projects. Obviously this is crazy project. I'm not saying this is absolutely, I can't believe I actually sitting in this car. And it's a huge risk that I have taken, but this is what I'm willing to do for you guys. So in the next video, what we're gonna do is start working on this car. So please subscribe and follow for more updates, and I'll see you. Bye. Unfortunately, it has an oil leak. Oh man, crazy.